Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out a W-4 form. This essential document informs your employer about the correct amount of federal income tax to withhold from your earnings. Properly completing it helps ensure you neither owe a significant amount at tax time nor receive an excessively large refund. To begin, you will need your basic personal details, including your full name, current address, and your social security number. This initial step is straightforward and crucial for accurate tax withholding. Next, if you have multiple jobs or if your spouse is also employed, step 2 is vital. You have 3 options to ensure accurate withholding. Use the IRS tax withholding estimator online, complete the multiple jobs worksheet, or simply check the box in this section. Be cautious, as checking the box on all W-4 forms when you have multiple jobs might result in too much tax being withheld from your paychecks throughout the year. Choose the method that best suits your financial situation. Step 3 allows you to claim tax credits for your dependents, which can significantly reduce your tax liability. For each qualifying child under the age of 17, you can claim a credit of up to $2,000. Additionally, for other qualifying dependents, such as older children or relatives, you can claim a credit of up to $500 per person. Make sure to accurately calculate and enter these amounts to benefit from these valuable tax reductions. Finally, Step 4 provides flexibility for other adjustments to your withholding. Here, you can account for additional income not from jobs, such as interest or dividends, to prevent underwithholding. You can also include itemized deductions if you expect them to exceed the standard deduction. Furthermore, if you prefer, you can request an additional specific dollar amount of tax to be withheld from each paycheck. This step helps tailor your withholding precisely to your unique financial circumstances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.